manje. Umfana kagama la. Welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music. We break down our lyrics to get the message behind the song. We always give positive feedback. We encourage other people. We inspire other people. Basically, non-toxic Zion music. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, somebody told me about this church. Some all ministries. I was like, bruh, have you ever heard of some call? I was like, some call. I've never, ever. I'm like, no, dog, you should check them out. I cool. Ngena on YouTube. Search as I'm call. I'm like, I hope the video engizoyithola good. Luckily, yeah, that's why what I love about our Zion music. It's people don't miss. These people who run that page don't miss. And big ups to them, man. You know, big ups to our Zion music, Zion Nation. There's the other one, I'm about something production, and then Gune Very production, and then those are other production, and then obviously there's churches that have their own YouTube pages. But to these four, and I call them what discover obviously. These four, they're doing a fantastic job by just keeping us in a loop, always seeing what goes on. So, world, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button, like my videos, and also don't forget to share whatever other platform that you have. Share it there as well, and also give me a recommendation. So we are reacting to Zamxolo Ministries. Osindwayo, Uyo, Uyo. Ay, Osindwayo has something umthwalo Zulu sangoba man. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. I'm so sorry. That first part. Yeah, well, that first part there. I hear. Listen. Yeah. Listen, I think it's two people. I think he first part Nepeka, but whoever they is, that is amazing. No, that is amazing. Listen to this. She's somewhere that side. Like, is from this direction. Hey, some corner. Hi, bo. You know, Domangale channel and like the discovery I make of some of these churches. I'll be shocked. I'll be chilling here and I go like, how on earth or what or how or like where like how? Come on, yo. Don't be playing me like that. I know some color. I need more videos of you guys. I need more videos of some color. I need more videos. I definitely need them. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. Hayi first part lalesonto leli. Awa, mina ngihlezi ngintshela mina ngithi guys, mina if your first part is there, you've won my heart. Shame. Yo, guys, yo, wait, hey, awuzamcola, hey, ay, guys, no, na, guys. Yo, le flu le ingibambe ngamawashini. That's why ngibona ngekho-hyper so. Ukuthi, hey, it takes a lot. Woo. Samcolo Ministries. Lusizo khona ula. Bese ngimbhekela le ngithi nyasho ngisenyasho ukuthi manje le first part is somewhere ngaphambi kwamehlo wami. You must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind. My guy, you have, listen, dog, if ever you're gonna get a chance to see this, I'm telling you right now, that is a beautiful voice. Mona makalungisa indaba zakhe nani ne. First part na le back. Come on. Like forget it. Forget it. Like forget it. Zamcolo, forget it. No, you guys are amazing. I know you guys are fantastic. This is amazing. This is beautiful. you know what? I'm glad ukuthi, although I can be biased sometimes. Nangazi ngibiased with which church. Everybody knows. Or churches. Yeah. Yeah. Niyazi mapha amasonto engazi kahle ukuthi mina lawa I don't care. These was nje for me. But I'm glad ukuthi I never have expectations when it comes to anything. You see, if somebody says Kune, and I'm like, you know what? If this person is telling me about this church, that means it has to be dope. Right? And what's a matter? Some call. I was like, goodness, something let's say some call. It was some call on page. Some call. Yeah. Spelling into some call is tagazelo spell. Yay, the land. Couldn't take twice some call. I'm open. I'm like, cool. It's in your check. Right? Ngatola, this one. Ngatola le esirecta kuyo right now. Ngatola le. Ngathi, Athi thing react kuyo. Little did I know. Little did I know. Oh, to my Indian viewers, the song says that God carries your burden. He says God takes care of your burden. Whatever it is that you are carrying, God will take it over your shoulders. And also saying that it's impossible for God to give you something that is beyond your power. All right, always. So it's just a simple, straightforward song that says just trust and believe in God. No, I mean, there's nothing more to it. It's just straightforward. It's just the singing that gets to me. It's just the delivery that they have. How the first part and the back are actually interchanging with one another. That's what makes this video seem like it's a long video, but it's not. The video is like 2 minutes and 35 seconds, but the singing in it, the dedication that they have in expressing their praises to God is fantastic. It's amazing to listen. It's beautiful. Who is this husband? Listen. Guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, one last time. I am so sorry. I am so sorry for repeating this part. My lady, I hope you see this video. Nyaktanda, I don't know you, but I love you. I love you guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my God. No, guys, just one more time. One more time, then we out. Wow! Eyes, I'm gone. Oh, no way, no way, no way, no. That was amazing. No, honestly speaking, that was beautiful to listen. That was fantastic. That was fantastic. Yeah, man. I am sure we're still going to react to more videos as Amkolo, and I will look for them. I will look until I find more videos, but that's what I got for now. Wow! Wasn't expecting that. Wasn't expecting anything. Whatever it is, eniyenza lapho Zamcolo, keep cooking. No, yabona manje beniphaka. You guys were dishing. Mina bengila. Ooh. Wow! I have nothing more to say. So yo, hey, if you ever subscribe to the YouTube channel, you definitely missing out. Make sure to subscribe to that button and leave that bell notification on so that you can hear every time I upload a video. Like my videos as well, and please share to other people. And also, don't forget to give me recommendations of your favorite way of street Jupiter. Adios.